I'm Miss Rose, and today I'm going to be smoking for you. You like that? Want to show you my throat while I smoke? Yeah, you like that, baby? Sexy, isn't it? Ugh. It's a habit. I want to go to cover my mouth, and I know I'm not supposed to. Trying not to worry, baby. Oh, I might finish this before 5 minutes is even up. You like that? I'm such a sexy throat, don't I, baby? Yeah, you like that? So super sexy. You like that? Oh. Oh, that was a really big inhale. Holy shit. I don't think I'm gonna be inhaling that much till the end. That was bad. Oh my god, I refrained so hard from covering my throat. I'm almost done this, baby. You like that? My throat's getting all raspy for you. So sexy. Oh god. I think it's time to wrap this cigarette up. It's almost done. It's sexy, isn't it? Watching me cough. Watching me cough while I smoke this cigarette and watching my throat. Baby. So sexy. Okay. How about one final last really big long drag? You'll have me hacking it for the final minute, probably. You ready for this? Wow. It's basically done. I got some ash on my bed by accident. By my leg here. I hope you enjoyed this video, babe. So sexy.